Hey guys, it's Angel and Yuna. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Hospital.
Get a coffee for yourself, then what about me?
Sorry Yuna, but I start with 60 sanity, while you start with 70.
Oh, okay, I want to serve a few patients, then you can.
Okay, but here's an explanation of what we're gonna be doing. We're playing 2 shifts of Animal Hospital to see how busy it gets, then we're gonna end the video and this will give us time to edit it.
Oh my God, when are the next patients coming? I need to check them in.
But this shift is gonna be really long if they don't hurry up. The first patient is done now.
Okay, the next patient should be coming. I want to help, okay?
Okay, Yuna, be quick then.
Wait for me. Why are you saying ouch? It didn't even hurt.
Yes, we are finally on shift 2.
No, actually, we are in a minute. Now we are going to shift 2. Okay, comment if you want a sneak peek for the next video.
No, Yuna, I have told you this already. No trying to spoil or tell them what the next video is.
Okay, but there is a death ritual guy. I'ma let him in.
Okay, Yuna, let's go.
Where is Yuna?
I'm going to serve this death ritual guy by myself then. Of course you need maple syrup. Big bag.
I'll be there when the death ritual is here. I'm coming.
Okay, hurry up.
Sir, you can't do that in the hospital.
Why does everyone need maple syrup? Is this a other death ritual guy?
Yes.
Oh my God. This gave me a jump scare.
Sir, no, not in the hospital.
This is the end of the video. I might give you the sneak peek of the next video, because Yuna loves to spoil videos.